You are going to love the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, bed liner, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.